Alright, let's take a brief glimpse into my Team is Everything horizontal template. This is an awesome way to show off team unity and team pride. It has the motto, Team is Everything up here, but it certainly does not have to say that. This motto can be changed to anything you want. For example, United we stand, never back down, or whatever else you come up with. This template offers multiple different looks. So for example, I can show the subject's feet here and have them positioned on this floor, or I can hide their feet and turn on a fog layer. These guys were all photographed individually so that I could position them in there and place them exactly how I wanted them. Here's a volleyball team that I also photographed in small groups to show the team unity. Here's an example of how you could photograph your team all at once and then cut them out and place them in there without having to photograph them individually. There's all kinds of options for this template. As with all my templates, I use Adobe fonts, so that means your fonts will automatically load for you with your Adobe subscription. And the instant download includes a full tutorial that will walk you through the steps of editing this and give you tips and tricks for making this look awesome for your team. Hope you enjoy it.